From where you are, you see the smoke start to rise where they play cards, and you walk over softly, moving past the guards. The stakes are getting higher, you can feel it in your heart. He calls you bluff, he is the ace you never thought he'd played that much, and now it's more than all his cards you want to touch. You'll never know if winning this could really be enough. Take a look beyond the moon, you'll see the stars. And when you look around, you know the room by heart. I have never dreamed it. Have you ever dreamed a night like this? Like this. How many times have I been waiting by the door to hear these chimes, to hear that someone debonair has just arrived and opened up to see my world before my eyes. That silhouette creates an image and a night I can't forget. It has the scent of something special, I can't rest. If I resist temptation, oh, I know for sure that I will lose the bet. I walk away and suddenly it seems I'm not alone. In front of me he stands, I stop before he goes. I have never dreamed it. Have you ever dreamed a night like this? I cannot believe that I may never see a night like this, when everything you think is incomplete starts happening when you are cheek to cheek. Could you ever dream that I have never dreamed a night like this?